Hello viewers and a very warm welcome to my channel once again. And today I am sharing the recipe of yummy and delicious egg and potato cutlets. I will make and show you these cutlets in two different types today. So let's go into the video and have a quick look on the recipe now. Three potatoes I have boiled and peeled. After cooling down, let's mash it nicely with the help of fingers. We have to mash it very nicely without any lumps. Let's add few ingredients to it. Finely chopped 1 green chilli, finely chopped 1 medium sized onion. The onion should be very finely chopped. 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste, a handful of finely chopped coriander leaves, 1 teaspoon of black pepper powder, half a spoon of whole zira, half a spoon of red chili flakes, and some chaat masala around half a spoon, and a little bit of turmeric powder and salt. Let's mix all these ingredients well with the potatoes. All ingredients should mix well nicely. If you find any lumps in the potatoes, just break it and make it smooth. If you find the mixture little loose and if you require any binding, then you can add 1 or 2 tablespoons of corn flour to it. I have boiled 4 eggs. Now let's cut these boiled eggs into 4 pieces. The eggs should be fully boiled, then only it will be easier for you to cut. You can see that the eggs are ready now. Let's apply some oil on the palm and the fingers. Take a lemon sized portion of the potato mixture. Just place 1 piece of egg in the center in this way and fold it from all the sides so that the egg should be sealed nicely. This is the one type of cutlet, and the other type is, let's cut the egg further into smaller pieces and mix it in the potato itself. Just combine everything nicely in this way. This is the second type of making egg and potato cutlets. Both the types I am showing today. Now for this also, let's give a shape. You can give oval or even round flat shape also. Now I am giving this a round shape. In this way. Now I have made and kept both the types of cutlets. The cutlets with oval shape and the round shaped. In oval shaped cutlets, I have placed the egg piece inside, and in the round shaped, I have mixed everything. Let's take 1 egg, add some salt and pepper, and beat the egg nicely. Let's take some breadcrumbs in a plate. Let's dip the cutlets in the egg first, then coat it nicely from all the sides with breadcrumbs. In this way, it should be coated nicely from all the sides. For the second type of cutlets also, we have to follow the same procedure. First dip it into the egg and then coat nicely with the breadcrumbs. Now our awesome cutlets are ready to be fried. They are nicely coated now. Place it gently in the hot oil. When the oil becomes hot, you can reduce the flame. Then you can place the cutlets. Gently flip them and fry from all the sides till they turn golden and crispy. You can see how beautifully they are getting fried. Now our two types of eggs and potato cutlets are ready. Believe me, it's an amazing appetizer for iftar also, and you can easily make it at home anytime. So please don't forget to subscribe our channel and give your support. I will come again with one more interesting recipe shortly. See you soon in my next video, and thank you so much for watching my channel.